This is one of the best financial information you would hear this year. And understanding this will put thousands of dollars in your pocket. Yes, I've been planning on doing this for a while now, and I'm glad I'm able to do it. I mean, you may end up paying very little or zero in taxes legally if you understand how to plan and strategize properly. I'll be breaking it down, so share this with your loved ones. Yes, I've spent over 15 years in the financial services industry, building financial roadmaps for people. And one thing that I know is constant is clarity, direction, and a plan that works. And that's why one of my goals on this channel is to provide honest financial advice that can help you not just survive, but protect your hard-earned money and truly thrive. So today, I'll be going deep to talk about this massive change to the system. You may have heard about the Trump's big, beautiful bill, and probably seeing videos online, and you're wondering, this is vague or this is not for me, right? But this isn't just political noise. Yes, it's a new set of financial rules that will directly impact your wallet, your family, your business. So let's break down exactly what this means for you in simple language, no confusion. At the end, I will give you my own honest recommendations of how to thrive with these rules. Let's start with individual. This is for you if you're working 9 to 5, driving Uber, working as a nurse, or any job to pay your bills and probably send money home. First, the tax cuts that started in 2017, which is what you are currently paying, are now here to stay. Think of it like a permanent discount on your taxes. So what this means is the lower tax rate you've been paying will continue, which is great news for your paycheck. And to make this really clear, your tax was supposed to increase, but the bill makes the rate low permanent. You will continue to pay what you've been paying. But here is the most exciting part. I want everyone to listen closely. The new bill makes tips and overtime pay tax-free for most people. Yes, let me say that again. If you earn tips as a server, a barber, a driver, whatever you do, you will no longer pay federal income tax on that money. If you are a nurse, a warehouse worker, or anyone who works extra hours, that overtime pay will also be tax-free. This is a game changer. Think about all the extra shifts you've worked. That is money you earned through sweat, and now you get to keep all of it. Yes, from the federal government's hands. Now, there is one important condition to the rule though. If your total income for the year, what the IRS call your adjusted gross income, is 150, married 300,000, then you will not get it. But since most people fall under the limit, this will be a blessing for millions. If you got to this point and you're yet to subscribe, like the video or share, please do, to encourage more informative content like this. One more small but helpful thing. If you have a car loan, even as an individual, not a business, you can now deduct interest you pay on the loan from your taxes. It's another way to lower your tax bill. Okay, now let's talk about couples and families who are trying to build strong foundations, right? This bill has some important things for you also. We already talked about the tax that remains permanent, the tax cut that you continue to retain permanently, which helps a lot of family. But for those of you who are homeowners, this is huge. In America, when you own a home, you pay property taxes to your state, city. You are allowed to deduct some of those taxes from your federal income tax. But here, there used to be a limit, or I would say a cap, right? 10,000. This hurts a lot of families, especially in states like New Jersey, New York, Maryland, California. I live in New Jersey, so this is great. Yes, because this bill increases the cap from $10,000 to $40,000. My brothers and sisters who own a home, this is a massive opportunity to save thousands of dollars every single year. It makes home ownership more affordable and allows you to keep more of your hard-earned money to invest in your children's future or other goals. So this is a direct reward for putting down roots and building a life here. And this is a good one. And now for my business owners, side hustlers, real estate investors, this is for you. And this is very powerful. If you have any kind of business anyway, a cleaning service, a YouTube channel, an e-commerce store, a logistics company, anything, this is for you. The bill introduces 100% bonus depreciation. Yes, I know that sounds complicated, so let me make it simple. Depreciation is just how the government lets you write off the cost of the things you buy for your business. Imagine you own a small trucking business and you buy a new truck for 60,000. In the past, you would have to spread the tax deduction for that truck over 5 or 6 or 7 years. With 100% bonus depreciation, you can now deduct the entire 60,000 from your business income. In the same year you buy the truck, let's say your business made 7,000 in profit. After you deduct the 60,000 for the truck, you only have to pay tax on 10,000 of profit. This simple move could legally wipe out almost your entire tax bill for the year. Yes, real estate investors, you can use a strategy called cost segregation to depreciate part of a rental property in the first year and get a massive tax write-off. Content creators, buying new cameras, lights, computers, you can write it all off immediately. Salon owners, new chairs, equipment, you can write it all off. This is how the wealthy legally reduce their taxes to zero. They buy assets that help their business grow and the government give them a massive tax break for doing it. This rule is now available to every single business owner. Big or small, this is a game changer. So what do you do with all this information? And this is the honest advice part, my brothers and sisters. Change your mindset. This is not about cheating the system. This is about understanding the rules of the game. The government wants business owners to buy assets and stimulate the economy. They are giving you a reward for it. It's your responsibility to learn the rules and use them to your advantage. Second, get organized. You cannot claim these benefits if your finances are a mess. Start today. Open a separate bank account for your business. Even simple spreadsheet to track every dollar you earn and every dollar you spend. Keep your receipts. Plan your moves. Don't wait until tax time next year. If you were thinking about buying a new work vehicle, a new equipment, the end of the year might be the best time to do it to lower your taxes for this year. And finally, the most important step, get professional help. Find someone who understands this rule, the laws, and can create a plan specially for you, your family, or your business. Our journey is about creating opportunities. But you know what? Opportunities don't just appear. They are created through knowledge, action, and understanding how money and taxes work is a powerful key, I'm telling you, to turning your hard-earned work into lasting wealth. So this is very powerful. And if you found everything I talked about today helpful, please do me a favor. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and also share this with someone that will get a lot of value from it. Take care.